Welcome to Lavanya's computer classes. In this video, I will explain relational algebra in DBMS. So what is relational algebra means? Relational algebra is a procedural query language. So what is procedural query language means? In this procedural query language, there are giving two options. One is what to do, and the second one is how to do, and what type of information you require and how can you access that information. That's where that type of language is known as procedural query languages, and relational algebra is an example for procedural query language, and which takes relation as input and also it gives the relation is like an output, because it is an RDBMS, relational database management. In this, everything is treated as relations. Relations means tables. The input is also in the form of table and output is also generated in the form of table only. And in the relational algebra, it mainly provides theoretical foundation for relational databases and SQLs. It is totally contains mathematical symbols. So that's why it is totally theoretical foundation for relational database and SQLs. So what is relational algebra means? Relational algebra is a procedural query language. What is the meaning of procedural query language? It explains what to do, what type of information we require and how to get that information. It explains both. So in this relational algebra, we have some operators. So what type of operators are used in relational algebra? I mean, there are two types of operators are there. Some are basic operators, some are derived operators. So what are the basic operators? I mean, the totally 6 basic operators are there. Those are projection, selection, cross product, union, rename and difference. And here these are the mathematical symbols. Projection is used to represent pi operator, pi symbol. Selection, sigma. Cross product into union, u. Rename, pi, p, like this small p. And difference is minus. So these are the basic operations are used in relational algebra. And some more 3 operators are there. Those are called as derived operators. Those are join. It is very, very important. In the SQLs also have joins are there. Joins, intersect and division. So in this class I will explain, in this video I will explain only projections and selections. Remaining I will explain in the next videos. So first I will go for what is a projection. Projection is represented with pi symbol. What is the use of projection means? Projection is used for project the data or retrieve the information. Retrieve the information in column wise. For example, in this example, I took one table. It is a relation. Have 3 fields, 3 attributes, roll number, name and age and some data. So this is a table. The table name is known as student table. Student relation. Okay. Now I will give one query. The query is retrieve the roll number from student table. Retrieve. So in the question, retrieve, display, take, whatever it is. Retrieve the roll number from student database. So from which database requires information, from where we are taking the information? That is from student table. So in this relational algebra, from which table I want to take it, that is keep it in the brackets. Student table, from student table. Which information we require? That is roll number. What we require? Retrieve. What is the retrieval symbol? Retrieval symbol is pi. Pi. Which thing we require? Not all the information you don't want. You want to require only one column. That column name is roll number. Roll number is represented with RNO. So pi roll number. From which table? Student table. If we write like this, what is the answer for this means? Roll number 1, 2, 3. This is the output of this query. Input is this table, output is this table. That's when the beginning only I said relational algebra, inputs is in the form of relation, output is also in the form of relation. And one more query. Example second. Retrieve the roll number and also name from the student table. Roll number and name from the student table. So first we write from which table we require the database. What is the name of the database? That is student. That is compulsory. Keep it in the bracket. which fields we require, which columns we requirements. In this example, we need 2 columns, that is roll number, comma, name. These two we require retrieve. The retrieve symbol is pi. So this is the query for this information. So here what is the output of this information? Means roll number and name, because we have selected 2 columns. Roll number 1, 2, 3, and what is the names? A, B and A. Okay, this is the output of this table. Second query table. Here we have to remember one thing is projection table is always gives unique values. This is a compulsory, have to remember. Projection, it gives only unique values. If any data is repeated, then automatically it removes the data. It takes only once only. For example, see here, third query, example of third query. Retrieve or display only student name from the student table. Student name from the student table. Tell me how we are writing means from which table we require? From student table. Which field we require? Only we need only name and projection pi. So this is the query. So what is the output of this query? Just how many fields we require here? Only name. In the original database, how many names are there? 3 students' names are there. A, B, A. Here the answer is, it gives only A, B only. If you see here, there are 3 students are there. But in this example, how many records are there? Only 2 records are there. Means why? Means because pi, already I said pi value projection takes only unique value. Here A, B, A is repeated again. That's why A is displayed first time because it is unique value. Then B is displayed, okay. Third time again A means it is repeated already, so it is not displayed. So that is the very, very important thing we have to remember in the pi. But why here it can display 2 times A, B, A? Why it displays 3 records? Means it is a combination. 1A is different, 3A is different. That's why it displayed 2 times A. Here 1, 2, 3, all 3 are unique values. Here only A, B, because A is different, B is different. Once again A came means it not displayed on the screen. So this is the projection pi operator. Next operator is selection operator. For selection operator we are using the symbol is sigma. What is the use of this one? Means selection is used for select the tuple. Select the tuple. Tuple means record. Select the tuple from the table. So pi is used for display the column and this one is used for record. Same table, same information. I'll take it once again. Roll number, name and age. This is a relation. Roll number 3 roll numbers are there. Student names are A, B, A and age is 20, 21, 21. So this is the information. Now my query is, what is the query means? Query is display or retrieve. Retrieve the information, retrieve the student's information, retrieve the student information, student's name, retrieve the student name whose roll number is 2. So what information we require means which student roll number is 2, that student's name I required. So this is my query. So from which table you require this information means first to write the answer. Write the table. From which table we require. What is the table name? The table name is student. The table name is always keep it in the brackets. Now that means total information. This is the student table. If you select like this, entire table, but not entire table, you don't want all the entire table. We need only where the roll number is 2. So where the roll number 2 means where is the roll number? It is in the first record, it is second record, it is a third record. Roll number 2 is in the second record, total record. Record selection means how can you select means it is a sigma symbol. Sigma, roll number is 2. This is the condition. roll number is 2. If we select like this, sigma roll number 2 from student means total entire record is coming. But you don't want the entire record. You need only whose roll number is 2. For the student name only we need. That means in the entire record there are 3 columns are there. Roll number is there, name is there, age is there. Up to this the information is coming like this. 2B21. 2 is roll number, B is name, 21 is age. It displays 3 fields. But you don't want the 3 fields. We need only this one. Only one column we require. So only how can you select only one column? Means that is the pi symbol. Pi. Again keep it everything is bracket. Pi. Which field we require? Roll number. So this is the information. That means write lastly pi. First table name. From the table name which record we require. That is selected. Record is selected with sigma. And in this record which field we require. That is the required. So how to write the same thing in SQL means we write like this. Select. Which field we require? Select roll number. Next one is from table name. What is our table name? From student. But all the students' roll number you don't want. Only student name you require, not roll number here. Name. Select name because we need name. From student where. Which student's roll name we need? Where the roll number is 2. So where roll number equal to 2. So this is the SQL statement. The same SQL state, this is entire SQL statement. This entire SQL statement is written in the relational algebra. This is the relational algebra, all mathematical notations. One is the sigma, second one is the pi. Pi means projection, sigma is selection operator. Pi is used for selecting the column and sigma is used for selecting the tuple record. SQL is a non-procedural language and relational algebra is a procedural language. Okay. In this video, we will explain only 2 operators. In the remaining next video, we will explain next operators. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Share it to your friends. Thank you.